So one of the things that you can do in ILoveIMG is you can go ahead and utilize the photo editor text tool as well to add in text to images as you want. So for that, you can go to ILoveIMG.com and then you can go to photo editor right here and then click on select image. So once you do that, you can select out an image that you want to add the text to and then go ahead and click on open, and this is what you have. So now over here on the top, you can see that text is an option. And then if you were to go ahead and then let's say, for example, click on add text, you can see that a text box is inserted. You can go ahead and add in multiple text box as you wish. You can go ahead and double click and then let's say, for example, type in the text as you want. So I'm just going to go around and say keep on learning right here. And that is how the text is actually typed. You can go ahead and resize out the text, rotate out the text, and place it wherever you want. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and select out the text box and choose the color for the text as well. Same goes for the other text box as well. Simply go ahead and choose a color, or you can go to the color palette right here and choose a particular color right here, and you can change around the opacity for it as well, just like this. You can even enter out the hexadecimal color code if you want to right here. Apart from that, now what you can do is you can go to the font option, and then you can go ahead and choose, let's say, for example, different font as you like as well. So you can go around over here and then you get access to Google Font right here. You can go ahead and choose display or handwritten font right here, or monospace font and so forth, as you can see. And then what you can do is choose this out right here, and this is what you have as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the photo editor text tool inside of ILoveIMG. And if you were to go around and press cancel, everything is canceled right here and everything gets lost. But let me just go around over here, and then let's just go around and type in TutorTube. Let's just press Ctrl A to select out a particular color right here. And then I'm going to go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, handwritten font. And this is what you have, as you can see. Click on apply now, and then you can see that the text the text tool right here has been applied. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the photo editor text tool inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.